everyone, it's me, Aunt Sarah Bell, and I have another story time for us today. Today I'm going to read a story called Mouse Count. It is a book by Stoll Walsh, and this story is about counting some numbers and some adorable mice, which is the plural of mouse. English is a unique language where the plurals don't always make sense, little ones. Sorry about that. This one is a great book about counting. If you're not great at counting yet, this is a wonderful time for you to practice counting things that you like. Maybe some plush stuffed animals. You can start counting how many you might have around the house. So find a comfortable seat to sit in, something snuggly to enjoy the story with as we read Mouse Count. One fine day, some mice played in the meadow. They were careful to watch for snakes. Snakes are a natural predator for mice, and mice are called prey then because they would be eaten by a snake. But when the mice got sleepy, they forgot about snakes, and they all took naps. While they slept, a hungry snake went looking for dinner. On his way, he found a nice big jar. "I will fill this jar with dinner," he said. It wasn't long before he found 3 mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. "First I will count them and then I will eat them up," said the snake. "Mouse count. 1. There goes the first mouse in the jar. 2. 1, 2. Yep, there's 2 mice in the jar. 3. 1, 2, 3. He dropped them in the jar, but he was very hungry. 3 mice were not enough. Soon he found 4 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. And he counted them. 4. Let's count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that I only tap each one time. I don't tap them twice. 5. Oh, this is getting harder to count. I'm gonna try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I count everyone without touching them twice? Seven. There's that last mouse going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the snake was very, very hungry, and 7 mice were not enough. At last he found 3 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep, and he counted them. So 3 more. We had 7. Now he's going to have 3 more. I wonder how many mice he would have altogether. Let's see if we can figure it out. Here comes 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There goes 9. Oh, it's getting very crowded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one was hiding very tinily in the back. 1 more makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mice are enough. Now I'm going to eat you up. Little, warm, and tasty, said the snake. And look, he's curling his body around the jar. "Wait," said one of the mice. "The jar isn't full yet. And look at that big mouse over there." The snake was very greedy. That means he didn't feel like he had enough, and so he wanted more. He hurried off to get the big mouse. And while he was gone, the mice rocked the jar one way and another way. So they tilted it that way and then this way. Until over it went. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The little mice uncounted themselves and ran home. Whew. That's a relief. The snake reached the big mouse, but it was only a cold, hard rock. And when he got back, the jar was empty. Because he was greedy, he had none. The end of Mouse Count. This is such a great story because you can practice adding numbers if you are a little bit more advanced with numbers and you already know how to count. So you can practice going back and forth and adding them together. So maybe there's 2 brown mice and 1 tan mouse. So 2 plus 1 equals how many? And try that. So you can always play the video and then pause and see if you can make an addition or subtraction sentence to go along with this book. That's a great way to extend your learning and connect literacy or reading to another subject area like math. Well, I hope you enjoyed this story time today. I always enjoy reading with you. Until next time, goodbye.